If you haven't cleaned your aircon in a while, take this as a reminder. Look at how dirty this is. And I know it looks daunting, but this only takes 5 minutes to clean. First, start by lightly vacuuming the filters on the outside of the aircon and give them a little bit of a wash as well if needed, because we do not want to be breathing this stuff in. Once you've done that, you can grab a simple spray and wipe over the inside of the aircon. Make sure you don't spray past where the filters are so you don't get it on any electrical components of the aircon. And just get rid of any excess dust and mold especially to make sure it's nice and clean. And that's all there is to it. Then you can put the filters back in. And after a brisk 5-minute clean, this aircon is looking much better and a whole lot better for your health as well. By the way, this aircon had only gone a few months without a clean, so that just shows you how quickly it can build up. Make sure you follow me for more.